welcome to my channel. I am Debbie. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. Today I have a couple of unbaggings of goodies from PaintSomeWay, and I first want to thank PaintSomeWay for reaching out again and offering to have me showcase a couple of their items. And so these two are not canvases, they're actually off the canvas, but I thought they were really cute, something different, and so I wanted to share those with you. And I also have a completion, so make sure you watch until the end. So I'm going to pull these out of this bag, move that over to the side here. Okay, the first thing that I have, these are this box is a little beat up, but the first thing here I thought was really cute. Make sure everything's out of the box. It is a little bear, and I'll just go ahead and take this out. Sorry for the crinkling. It's a little bear. This could be either a keychain, or more so, it could go on a backpack probably. Its leg is loose. A backpack. It can go on any kind of a tote. And so I thought that this was really cute, something different. And it does come with these beads. And these are special drills, rhinestones. And it's hard to tell here because they're going every which way, but they are pink. They do give you a tray, a plate of wax, a couple of baggies, and a diamond painting pen. And then they give you this glue. And so what you do is put the glue on the bear, just in little places, and then you're going to adhere these rhinestones onto the bear. And I've seen these done before, and they turn out really cute. And I would imagine that you would want to seal this, especially if you're going to put it on a backpack or let it dangle somewhere. And I don't know if I would really use a pen, a diamond painting pen, to do this, maybe tweezers, but I guess a diamond painting pen would work as well. And they give you plenty of glue. So I'm going to put that over to the side. My daughter would like to do this, so I'm going to let her have that to put on her backpack at school. And then I have this one. I'll open this box. I will put all the links underneath the description, as well as the prices on these. Get everything out of here. Okay. This one is a little light. I'm going to open this. And it does come with an adapter here. You can also use batteries. And it is a little owl. Isn't that cute? And you would just put the owl on here. I'm probably putting it in backwards here. I guess it goes like this. And then you have the little button in the back, and then he just lights up. And then it does come with specials. If I can get them open, so let me show you. I can bring this one in a little bit closer. Probably need to lay this down so you can see him better. But that's an owl, and you just take this little paper off here, this plastic, and then you're going to diamond paint it. It does come with a boat, a plate of wax, a couple of baggies, and a pen. And then it comes with these special drills. And we have some blues here. They're rhinestones. Some rhinestones here. We have some clear or silver. There's some red there. And then some gold. And then we have these little beads here. Those are really pretty. And then we have what I call teardrops. I'm not sure if that's what they really are called, but they're blue teardrops. And so those will go all down in here on the branch. But you simply just peel this completely off on the front and the back. And you're going to also diamond paint the back. So I'm not going to take the back off until I do the front. And then you will put this on this little stand here, and you will light him up. So this is the one that I actually finished. So I am going to have this one finished and then I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I am back. Look at this cutie. He turned out just really cute and it's very bright, very colorful. I love blue. There are some special drills on here. There are some what I like to call raindrops, and they are on both sides. So I really do like his little eyes, how everything came out. It did take me a couple of hours to do this because I had to do both sides and I also had to single place because of the way that this was set up, but it was a lot of fun to do. I do have this plugged in. It's kind of hard for you to see it because it is still light, but you can push it to different ways. There's different colors here that lights it up. There's also one that blinks, and it does have the button, so you don't have to worry about that. I had it blinking a minute ago, and then you can also just turn it off or have it just red, but I think it turned out just really sweet. It does have the batteries, and I just didn't put batteries in here, so mine is plugged up. But I again want to thank PaintSomeWay for sending this over to me. I have included a link underneath the description to PaintSomeWay in case you are interested in any discount, accessories, or diamond paintings. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.